Thinking about which EV charger brand is best for long-term use? Here's what to consider. Top brands like ChargePoint Home Flex, Emporia Pro, JuiceBox 40, Tesla Wall Connector, and Wallbox Pulsar Plus stand out for their performance and reliability. Look for features like flexible power output, Wi-Fi connectivity for remote monitoring, and durable construction that can handle daily use. Some chargers, like Emporia Pro, even integrate with solar panels for added efficiency. Before choosing, check your home's electrical capacity and decide how fast you want to charge. Investing in a trusted brand means fewer hassles, lower maintenance, and a smoother charging experience for years to come.